in an example like question 10 on page 21, there is no common, there's no one equation you multiply. You actually have to multiply both. So this says 5x minus 2y equals negative 48. 2x plus 3y equals negative 23. Well, there's no easy way to make this negative 2y equal to a 3, to match the 3 under it. There's also no easy way to make this 5 a 2 directly under it. Similarly, you can't make the 2 a 5 very easily, or this 3 and 2 very easily. So you want opposite signs, but the same number. So I'll just start with the opposite signs. The y's already have opposite signs. There's a minus and a plus, so that's good to cancel those. And what you need is called the least common multiple, some number that they can both multiply to. So they both have, if you multiply something, a 6 as the least common multiple. And if you don't know 6, you can make them 60, you can make them anything as long as you multiply by the same number through. So on this first one, to make 2y a 6, I'm going to need to multiply by 3. So we go here, you multiply everything on the top equation by a 3. You don't need to worry about the sign because they're already opposite. So 3 times 5 is 15. X minus 3 times 2 is 6. That's ugly. 6y. And then 3 times negative 48, I actually need a calculator for. So 3 times negative 48 is negative 144. And then the bottom, again, you need to make the y coefficient a 6. That 3 needs to become a 6. What do you multiply it by? That's a 2. So you multiply 2 times 2 and you get 4x minus, no, plus, because that's positive. 2 times 3 is 6y equals 2 times negative 23 is a negative 46. And then you just add in columns like you did before, because these coefficients are the same number. They're both 6's, but one is negative, one is positive. So you can just eliminate as you did before. And also it has, so if you notice, I multiplied them by each other. There was a 3 on y, so I multiplied the top by 3. There was a 2 on y on the top, so I multiplied the bottom by 2. You flip them, and that will work. It won't always give you the least common multiple, but it will always work. So if you just multiply them by each other, whichever variable you want to cancel, then that will work as well. Just make sure the signs are opposite. So if you need to flip all the signs, you can change all the signs on one equation.